family kitchen. Today I am excited to bring you my jollof rice base. You know, the other time I showed you how to do tomato paste. This one is my pepper base for jollof rice. And to get started, let me show you what I'll be using. Tatashe, shombo, rodo, onions, small ginger, and garlic. To this I'll add a little bit of water, not much, because we want to steam it. And then simply cover, switch on your gas, and leave it to boil till soft. Then we blend. Very simple. Time to check my pepper base. Yeah, look at that. So I'll let that cool down, then I'll blend it. I'm about to blend the boiled pepper paste. And you know, I know this is jollof base, but you know you can use it for so many other things, like for marinade, for your chicken, for fish. Don't worry, I'll show you recipes with it. Look at that, blended perfectly smooth. So let me put it in a container and put in the freezer. There you have it, my jollof rice pepper base. And don't say because I call it jollof rice pepper base, that's the only thing you can use it for at all. I actually use this to marinate chicken, to marinate fish, to do sauce. You know, by the time you add your tomato paste to it, you can use it for so many things. I also use this as base for a furry roll. The flavor is amazing. Remember, there's no tomatoes in this. There's another one I will show you for my stew base that has tomatoes. But for this, you can actually make a lot and be taken from it. This is going in the freezer. I'm going to use it to show you how I do marinade with it, and also how I do jollof rice, and also sauce, different kinds of sauces. Don't worry, we'll have a lot of adventure with this. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you love this video, give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Ciao.